Alright, today we're going to be talking about how to conjugate AR verbs in the present tense. So, as a model, we're going to use the verb hablar, which is to speak. In Spanish, each verb has two parts, the stem and the ending. The stem will give the verb meaning, while the ending will reflect the subject and give the tense. Right now, we're using a AR verb in the present tense. So we will be looking at this first column right here in the red. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do to conjugate a verb is to have a subject, a verb, and an ending. So in order to do that, we need to pick out an example. Let's try I speak. So here we have the subject, I, and that goes up to yo, because I in Spanish is yo. And then, so we take that and we put that in the subject line. Then we have to conjugate our verb. So first thing we have to do is to remove the AR ending. And then next we put our verb stem right into the verb spot. Next, we have to find our ending. Since we used the verb yo, the yo form, we have to go into the same column. We see that directly across from yo is o. This conjugation will be the same in all three verbs. Now, let's try another example. So, let's try he speaks. So, yet again, we're going to have to find our subject, which is él in this case. So, we're going to be focusing on this column right here. Next, we have to remove our AR ending and take the stem and put it in the verb spot. Next, we have to take our verb ending that correlates to our subject. So we go up to the L line and we find that when we go right across, it's a. So we've just put that right there, and then our verb is conjugated. So, he speaks in Spanish is él habla. This is possible. It is the same function for every single one in every single subject. So, for example, if you wanted to use to as your subject, you would use us as your ending. So you would use us right there and to right here. The same thing goes for the rest of the subjects. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope that helped.